Hi guys and welcome to this video. So many people have this lot of questions now because SEBI has changed the margin rules now, and many people are having lot of doubts, and many people think that they're not even getting margin to do intraday trading. So in this video I'll be clarifying all this question about only the intraday trading margin. Okay, so there's a lot of rules what they have made, but in this video we'll be talking about the only margin what you get for equities trading. Okay, so many people think that they're not getting any margin to trade or anything like that, but in this video I'll be clarifying you this doubt. Okay, so yes, you are getting a margin, and if you're using Zerodha or Upstock, so I'll tell you guys how you can calculate the margin what you're getting now in a proper way. Okay, so to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. If you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you guys to how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the margins what you're getting for intraday trading. So guys, firstly, a lot of people are using Zerodha, so let's talk about Zerodha right now for equity trading. Okay, so you can go to this link, okay, zerodha.com/margin calculator/equity to find out what leverage you're getting, okay, how many times leverage you're getting. Okay, so just go to this page and click on equity, and once you click on equity, you will see the list here. And if you want to search for any particular stock, you can search it. Okay, for example, let's take VEDL. Okay, so VEDL is a stock what you need to search. Okay, so this is just an example. So if you search for VEDL, if you're keeping MIS order, okay, so if you use normal regular MIS order, you're getting 5 times leverage, that is 5 times margin. So whatever capital you have becomes into 5 times. Okay, capital into 5 times divided by the stock price. So if you do this, you get the answer. So that's the quantity what you get to trade if you're using MIS order. Okay, now let's talk about cover order, that is CO. Okay, so nowadays the bracket order is blocked. Okay, so only MIS and cover order is only the two things which are allowed for the intraday trading. And yes, in cover order you get 8x margin. So whatever capital you have, it becomes into 8 times. Okay, capital into 8 divided by the stock price. If you do this, you will get the answer. So that's the quantity what you get to trade. So this is the way how you can actually get to know what is the margin you're getting. And also Zerodha website updates consistently on when this margins has been updated. So as you can see, this is the 4th September update, okay, which is very latest. And let's try any other stocks. Okay, so for example Tata Motors, so if you go for Tata Motors, it's the same again. So 5x leverage on MIS, and for cover order you get 8 times. So this is how you guys can actually calculate. So this is Gale stock. So and the margin what you get will depend from stock to stock. For example, here I'm showing you Gale stock. For Gale, if you're using normal MIS order, you get 10 times margin. Okay, so which was very normal from before, so that is capital into 10 times divided by the stock price, so you get the answer. So that's the margin. So you're getting 10 times leverage in normal MIS order itself, but if you're using cover order, you get up to 17x leverage, that is 17 times margin. Okay, so this is how you guys can actually check. Okay, so whatever the stock you're trading on, so just come here and check for your stock how much margin you're getting. Okay, so if you're using MIS, you get 10 times leverage, and if you're using cover order, you get 17x leverage for this Gale stock. So this depends on stock to stock, as I said you. So before you just enter quantity and before you enter to a trade, it's better you guys can just check it here how much margin you're getting. And many people think that they're only getting 2 times or there is no margin at all. A lot of things like people see this news and they're getting a lot of confusions. Okay, so kindly avoid that. Okay, so whatever broker you're using, let's say Zerodha, Upstock, any account you're using, just go to their website and click on this margin column where you can see all the updates. Okay, because your broker website will always be updated, so whatever changes they're applying, they'll notify you. So check that and be updated with that. Okay, so in Zerodha what happens is, you can see, for let's say I have to buy 1000 quantity of VEDL stock. Okay, that is Vedanta. So if you want to check in MIS order, let me just see. If I just click this refresh, it will show me how much margin I needed. Okay, so if I had 25,190 rupees, then I can buy in MIS order for 1000 quantity. Okay, now the same thing, let me check for cover order. So for buying 1000 quantities in cover order, I need 15,114 rupees only. Okay, so this is how you guys can check. Okay, once you can check, do a calculation here in the Zerodha website. Okay, in the margin section you can go there and calculate it, and again to reconfirm, in the order window itself you can see what's the margin required for your quantity what you need to trade. Okay, so this is very simple, and many guys are having confusion on this, so kindly don't have any confusion regarding margin. So if you want to check the same for future or option or anything, just come here to your whatever broker account you're using, just go to their website and check the detail. Okay, even if you're doing in futures or option or anything, equity or anything, you just come here and you will get all the details about how much margin you're getting. And as I said you, the margin depends upon stock to stock. Okay, all the stock will not get 10 times margin or 20 times margin or something like that, so it varies from the stock to stock. And due to the increased volatility now in the market, they have blocked the bracket order. Right now you can only keep MIS order and a cover order for intraday trading. Okay, so this is the update what I wanted to give on only the leverage part. Okay, so many rules have been changed by SEBI, but this is the one clear thing what I wanted to make for people, because a lot of people are having many confusions on the margins. They were telling that they are not getting margin. Now they're asking question like, will there will be no margin in intra trading or anything like that. So as of now, this is the margin what we are getting, and this is how we can trade with this current situation. Okay, so hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded, with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one.